to it.
Hey, baby. Hey, sweet girl.
Yeah, Frankie used to go to Biloxi, Mississippi, and fish a lot up there. Have you ever been up there?
Was he fishing saltwater up there?
I guess so.
Look, isn't that on the coast?
Yeah, I think so. Yeah, so that must have been what it was.
Probably fishing like shallow flats or something.
Yeah, I know he would catch some big old fish. Yeah, yeah. He went up there just about every year for a while, and then he kept going. And then he went on a trip fishing where they would take them out all day long somewhere, and then fish all day long. And, yeah, he did that for a few years.
Okay.
I could probably use your computer to download this to YouTube or something, right?
Yeah, you can.
That way I can let her see it. And
Yeah. Oh, now they're getting used to it.
They like it outside.
Yeah.
Our puppies love to go outside once they
get used to it. Oh, yeah, Chloe does too. And the snow, they love the snow. Do yours?
Well, we don't ever get snow, so very rarely.
You know, we typically don't, but this winter we had more snow than ever.
Very rarely.
Did you? Yeah.
We did a couple days, but not much.
Yeah, we got more than we've ever gotten in years. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness.
And that one's way down there, Jeff. Put me on there. Okay.
She's just so cute.
Hey, babies. Sweet puppy.
Come here. Come here. Come on. Come on.
Are they all? You're watching them, Jeff? Okay.
She looks like a little poodle with her hair on curly like that. Look at that.
I know. It is. It's much curlier than it was when it was dry.
Yep.
That should be good. Hopefully she can tell something from that. You know, what it is the black puppies don't show up very well in the pictures and the videos.
It's so hard to get that when they're
And
black.
I know you can tell a lot about the the light colored ones, but not the black ones, I don't think.
I know.